Hey Ayan, good morning beta. How are you my dear lovely student? बच्चों, is my voice is clear for you?
यस
आवाज आ
सर।
रही है?
हाँ सर, क्लियर है।
चलो, let's begin now. Yeah, we are discussing about income tax, right? So today also I want to continue some of the income from salary problems on income from salary. And yes, hi Santu, Bantu. Okay, let's start. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ? ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಸರ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು. Okay, once we finish income from salary and house property, somewhere in the afternoon I'll take that income from business and profession. Yes bacho, we have that this one, what is that, yeah, tax incidence in case of residential status. All right.
Sir,
Huh?
income from house property matter, sir. First,
Salary one year problem, we had only two problems, we'll finish it.
sir.
Salary ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಟೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ, ಮುಗಿಸಿ ದಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು. ठीक है,
Sir.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಎರಡಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೂರು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಗೈಸ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಾಪಿ, ಪೆನ್, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. But so here, whatever I'm discussing, right, most are kind of case study questions. But yeah, income from business ಆಯಿತು, ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅದು ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಬಚ್ಚು. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 2 times ಇನ್ ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾ ಬಚ್ಚೋ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ 50,000 per month. Okay, per month it is. And DA is 2,000 per month. Okay, out of which 1,000 enter into retirement benefit. That means out of 2,000, 1,000 enter into retirement benefit. Bonus 25,000 for the year. He contribute 15% of the salary. Right? Bonus 25,000 for the year. He contribute 15,000 of the salary, 15% of the salary to the provident fund. So they are not specific here. They are not given anything what kind of provident fund it is. Okay? What kind of provident fund? And the employer contribute equal amount, means maximum is how much bacha? Maximum allowable is 12%. Right? Yes or no? Maximum allowable is 12% and 15% they have contributed. Fine, not a problem, but we need to check what kind of provident fund it is, because here equal amount of the okay, that's fine. Means yeah, maximum 12% is allowable. That means 3% is taxable in case of RPF. Only in case of RPF, recognized provident fund, 3% is taxable. You know this, right? बच्चों सबको पता है ना, ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. 3% is taxable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ the amount of interest credited to the provident fund is 14% ಇದೆ. That means 9.5% is the limit. We cannot go beyond that. Correct? Next, he paid life insurance premium 10,000 on his own life. He is paid, so reduction under section 80C you can take it, right? And next bacho, 5,000 on his wife's life. Okay, that is also he'll get it under section 80C. Father's life, no, not allowed, because father is independent here. Ascertain his income. Look, here is a case study bacha. Ascertain his income from the salary for the assessment year 2022 and 23 if he contributes statutory provident fund. Here is the case study bacha. They are given 3 cases here: statutory provident fund, recognized provident fund, unrecognized provident fund. All 3 cases we have. All right, you are required to give your opinion for opting the statutory. Which one should opt? I mean, see, very simple. What they asking us to, they want your opinion, suggestion, you can say that, for opting statutory, unrecognized, or recognized. There are 3, right? There are 3. Recognized we have, one is recognized we have, second is statutory we have, recognized we have, URPF, SPF, RPF, URPF. Which are more beneficial? Means say where the tax is saving more, definitely you can say that more is beneficial, right? Give the proper suggestion to reduce the tax burden while choosing the suitable provident fund, assuming that assessee has not opted. See, not opted. This is the question you are going to get for your exams. Not opted. Kind of 90% questions will be not opted. Very good morning, bachcho. Please like my video now. Okay, now opted for 115 BSc. So let's start now. And it's a very interesting question here. Bachcho, there are three kinds of provident fund we have. One is statutory provident fund, SPF, RPF, URPF. And remember one thing. This is not taxable. Not taxable. So this is taxable to the extent of 12% of salary. Above that is taxable. Hodullah. Easy there. Let's begin now. चलो बच्चों शुरू करते हैं केस स्टडी एनालिसिस. Computation of total income of, or you can say income from salary. Yenadappa Manjunatha, Mr. Mahesh. For the assessment year 2022 and 23. बच्चों start particulars. Okay, here there are three this one, right? I mean, recognized provident fund, three cases we have. See, one is statutory, recognized, unrecognized. So what do we do with that? You just mention the amount here, okay? And statutory provident fund, recognized provident fund, ये नहीं तो unrecognized provident fund. First is what? Bachcho, first is drawing salary 50,000 per month. Basic salary it is. Basic salary. Correct? Basic salary 50,000 into 12. $6 lakh. Done बच्चों, basic salary done. Sir, second ये नो, tell me यहाँ doubt दिया. Iga, next, dearness allowance 2,000 per month. Dearness allowance 2,000 per month. Listen, of which 1,000 enter into retirement fund. So that means you should take all first. 2,000 into 12, that is 24,000. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट के लिए डियरनेस अलाउंस आई तो बोनस 25,000 फॉर द ईयर. ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ ಬಚ್ಚೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ರಿಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಪ್ಪ. ಟಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್?
Understood, sir.
चलो परफेक्ट सर. नेक्स्ट ಏನು ಕೇಳಲೆ बच्चों, as per the rules maximum 12% is allowable in case of recognized provident fund, and what they have given is that they want us to ascertain the value of the income if he contributes to the statutory provident fund. Remember one thing, in case of statutory provident fund it is not taxable at all. Sorry, not taxable at all. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, it is not taxable. Second, recognized provident fund maximum exempted is how much? 12%. More than 12% taxable. URPF unrecognized provident fund also same. So what we can do, sir? Only in case of recognized provident fund we are going to take account. Otherwise leave it. Barkodri. Contribution to recognized provident fund. So okay, contribution to provident fund. Right, but so remember one thing, here it is exempted, no taxable. But in recognized provident fund, yeah, it is taxable to certain limit, but here it is exempted. Yes or no? Will you agree for this? Tell me, my dear lovely student. Yes or no?
Yes.
In case of statutory provident fund, no tax. URPF, no tax. But in case of RPF, recognized provident fund, it is taxable to the extent of 12% of salary. So what is contribution, my dear student? What is the contribution? They said 15% of the salary. All right, 15% of the salary. So note down, 15% of salary. So now what is the salary, bachcho? 6 lakh is the basic plus
90,000.
No, plus bachcho, take this eligible for retirement benefit 1000. 6 lakhs is the basic, 1000 this one here get it, hai na? Right? So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 12,000 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is eligible for retirement benefit. That means how much it is? How much? 6,12,000. Right? Bachcho, tell me, 6,12,000 ka 15% ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 91,800. Correct? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ? Bachcho, out of this, my dear student, less 12%. 12% maximum limit, right? 12% of 6,12,000 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಬಚ್ಚೋ? ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ, ಆರ್ ಯು ದೇರ್?
73,440.
73,440. So bachcho, taxable is how much? 440, right? What is the taxable? Minus ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
इसमें से माइनस करना सर.
Baba, listen. Here we have 15%, they have credited. Maximum limit ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? 12%.
12%.
So minus ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. 91,800 minus 73,400.
18,360.
How much?
18,360.
18,360. Okay, now understood?
Yes sir.
Everybody, application ತಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲ ರಂಗಿಂಚಿತ ಬಾಯಿಲೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ, those are watching on the YouTube. चलो sir, what is next? Next is बच्चों, listen, here they given 14% amount of interest credited at the rate of 14,000. Very simple. What is the maximum limit, बच्चों? What is the maximum limit? Maximum limit is 9.5. Right? More than that, that is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ taxable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So very simple. Yeah, same बच्चों. Even in case of interest on capital, maximum 9%, 9.5. That means, बच्चों, listen, what we have is that 14 minus 9.5. ऐसा करते हैं 14% minus 9.5%. That is 4.5.
4.5.
Correct. 14,000 is the interest they have credited, divided by 14 into 4.5 is taxable. ऐसा करते हैं 4,500 only in case of RPF. Ille exempted. Here also exempted. अर्थ आಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ समझ में आया मेरे बच्चों? वसीम, those who are watching like ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಪ್ಪ. I don't want to, like, being a YouTuber, I'm not supposed to say that ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ, because ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. So guys, yes, become 6 ಸೆಮಿಗೆ admissions right after your exams we have. join ಆಗಿ, and in the same time ಬಚ್ಚೋ PGCET ಗೆ we are engaging classes for PGCET from wherever you are, Bangalore, Mysore, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಮ್, BA, BSc, BCA, BBA ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ MBA ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಗೈಸ್? PGCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 100% ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೌದು, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ರಿಯೋ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಮ್ 6 ಸೆಮ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಲಾಂಚ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ರೈಟ್, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಚಲೋ ಬಚ್ಚೋ. Now this is it. Yeah, we have solved almost all the problem now, because my dear student, remaining all are deduction under section 80C. That will take into account, because see, here he has paid, not received. Here he has paid. Income he has paid. So it's expenses, right, for him. So any payment that is towards some kind of insurance premium and all, that we can take deduction under section 80C. But tell me, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪದರಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? कितना होगा? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ.
10,09,000.
हाँ नो रे, टोटल इस बच्चा
6,49,000.
हाँ 6,49,000. This is also same 6,49,000 minus it. This one totally 6,24,000, 25,000, 18,360.
6,62,860.
How much?
6,62,860.
6,62,860. To this we have to deduct what, bacho? What we should deduct now? 50,000, right? Deduction under section 16.
Sir. 6,67,360, sir.
कौन सा? This one.
Middle का. Middle.
Let me check. 6 lakh plus 24,000, 25,000, 18,360, 4,500. 6,70,860, right?
हाँ sir.
So बच्चों deduction under section 16, what is that standard deduction? $50,000, $50,000, $50,000. Now, listen. Here next we have this is income from salary. You can say income from salary. ಬೇಗ ಆಗಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 20 ಆಗದು 6,49,000 50,000 5,99,000
6,21,860
6,21,860 हाँ
same sir
5,99,000 ठीक है. So बच्चों this is the income from salary, but yes there is deduction under section 80C, less deduction under section 80C. Sir, why 80C? Remember, anything which is contribution to recognized provident fund, right? Contribution to provident fund, or you can say life insurance premium, that is allowable deductions. So guys, I'll write it down here, just have a look. Deduction under section 80C. Deduction under section 80C. First what sir? Kerle. Contribution to provident fund. How much we have? How much we have? 91,000, right? Yes or no? 91,000. In case of only recognized provident fund, it is exempted. 91,800. Okay? And remaining two cases, no, it is not allowed. Next. Iga. Listen, here we are. Deduction actually ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನೌ ಬಚ್ಚೋ ಲಿಸನ್ he has contributed some amount to his life, right? I mean life insurance premium 10,000, ठीक है, own life 5,000, wife life 10,000. This all we have to take a deduction here. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Contribution to RPF, contribution to insurance premium, own life. How much own life बच्चों? Own life is actually ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ 80C 80D ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮ್ದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 10,000 is own life and life of wife 5,000. That's it. Don't take father because father is independent ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. Father is independent ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. Own life 10,000, 10,000, all the cases, all three cases बच्चों 10,000. ठीक है. Wife life 5,000, 5,000 and 5,000. So total ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Here it is 15,000. Here add ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ how much? 91,800 plus 15,000.
1,06,800.
This is 15,000. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 80C. Here it is 15,000. 1,06,800 and 15,000. Bachcho, tell me, total income is how much? Minus मार्टी पता रहेगा 5,99,000 minus 15,000 because always
84,000.
remember insurance premium deduct ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 lakh
5 lakh 84,000.
yes bacha yes 5,84,000 what about this 6,21,860 ದಲ್ಲಿ minus ಮಾಡಿ 1,06,800 5,15,000 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
5 lakh 15,060.
yeah so tell me which is the benefitable here as per the we can recommend that where the income is less where the income tax he will pay income is less where we can save his taxes 5,15,560 so the SSC can be opt recognize provident fund as his income is less than other two case less than SPF and URPF इष्टे साको you know that right simple funda bachcho if the income is more tax is more where the income is less you can save the tax understood guys tell me ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ
Yes.
sir make your screen video small हाँ बेटा ನಂದಿ ಮಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಓಹೋ this much is enough okay na
बड़ा करो सर.
baba tell me guys any song you want me to play
Yes sir.
king
Yes sir.
chalo king will play but in the same time we have one more
Oops sir. Oops.
oops
Oops.
zara क्या हो
नहीं sir. Relax.
here is he is my favorite now
Divine गया sir.
hey divine मेरा बच्चा रे वो yo don't say anything to divine he is like हाँ गली boy हाँ
अच्छे से बात कर छोटे
this
अच्छे
song
से.
is very good तू
तू आके देख.
देख ले तेरे ना 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 चलो बच्चों, this question definitely yeah, we have so many questions from this income from salary and house property, right? So let's begin now. चलो बच्चों शुरू करते हैं. Let's question, second question is here. हाँ सम्राट, because song was playing, copyright बरते हैं तो ना mute मारे. तू आके देख ले. चलो, here is that. Mr. Jairam is an engineer in private sector company in Chennai. Right? He furnished the following information: his salary, income for the previous year 21-22. They given all. ठीक है? Basic pay, dearness allowance, whole amount, complete amount is eligible for retirement benefit. Next, bonus we have. Bonus equals to 2 months basic salary. Okay, fine, we'll calculate that. CCA 1000 per month. Medical allowance 1500. All are taxable, sir. Yes, bachcho, all are taxable. Education allowance, they given 500 per month for one child. I mean, the limit is 100 into one child into 12, because here they given one child, right? Take only one child. House rent allowance, bachcho, yes, we have to calculate. House rent allowance we have to calculate. Now the question is that 4,500 rent paid. See, allowance they have 4,500. He is living in his, okay, he is living in his own house, living in a rented house. Okay, for that he has paid 6,000. So 10% of the salary in excess of rent, in 10% of salary in excess of rent paid. He was provided with a motor car. Yes, 1,600 cc, big car they given. In that case, what we can do, bachcho? 1,800. Remember, 1,800, right? Because 1,600 cc, right? So the car is used for private as well as the official purpose. He contributes to the recognized provident fund 10% of his salary. Anyway, he contribute, right? Employer not. And employer barangilla because maximum limit is there. And his employer contribute equal amount, means 10% barangilla. 10% talk battery, maximum limit 12% there. If you get more than 12%, you can account it, right? Haudullah. So next,
Sir,
हाँ बेटा,
below 1200 cc कितना sir tax?
that is 1800 है एक,
नहीं 1200 रहा तो
उसका 900 है ना.
900 sir.
1 सेकेंड, 1600 सीसी का कितना है? होल्ड ऑन बच्चों, रिमेंबर टू कोड नो 1 निमिष इल्ले दे. इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरी, ओहो 1 सेकेंड, आई विल रिपीट एवरीथिंग नाउ. कहाँ गया? बोलता हूँ 1 मीटर का.
Okay sir.
फ्री कंसेशन कार. हाँ जी, here is that. Listen बच्चों, if the car listen carefully, if the car is used for private and official purpose, all the expenses, remember all the expenses, voice ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ sir.
Okay, private and office purpose, all the expenses paid by the employer, all the expenses are paid by the employer. In that case, if car is 1.6 liter, that is 1.6 or less, that is your 1800. ठीक है. If it is more than 1.6, 2400. Remember this. Remember.
Sir, then what about 1200?
नहीं 1200 नहीं आएगा. The one situation is something like this. One is if the CC is less than 1600, that is 1800. If it is more than 1.6, that is 2400. When the car is used for both office and private. वो एक मिनट वो बोलता हूँ मैं. And expenses are paid by the employer. All right. If the expenses are paid by the employer, and again we have one more case here. Bacha, again we have one more case. If at all expenses are paid by the employee, remember, if expenses are paid by employee, everything, in that case, if the car is 1.6 liter less than 1.6 or 1.6 600 agate 600, and if it is more than 1.6, it is 900. Remember this. And driver salary, if the driver is provided, additional 900 is allowed. Okay, 1200 nahi hai bachcha isme. There is nothing called 1200 here. All right.
Okay, sir.
So let's begin now. चलो next, interest 11%, that means 9.5% is the limit. More than that taxable. Sweeper, domestic, all that is taxable, right? Assessee paid the professional tax, yeah, deduction under section 16. Compute is income from salary for the assessment year, this one. Let's start now. Let's start, bachcho. After this, I have one more question from income from salary, and after that, we'll take house property and finish it. Bachcho, Mr. Computation of income from salary for the assessment year 2022 and 23. You can write it name. तू आके देख ले. Well, Mr. Jairam. So you can say particulars of his income, amount and amount. Only two columns you can take it. Basic pay 15,000 per month. $15,000 into 12, 1,80,000. If at all if you don't get case study, something like this you can expect for your final exams. Similar questions you can expect. It has all the adjustment. Okay? Chalo bachcho, next, DNS allowance 4,000 per month, they said. 4,000 per month. Barcode per DNS allowance. 4,000 into 12, 48,000. Right? 48,000. Sir, next is bonus. Yes, बच्चों bonus is equals to 2 month basic salary. What is basic salary, बच्चों? 15,000 is the basic salary. Multiply by 2, that comes 30,000. Next, CCA taxable 1,000 rupees per month. Thousand into 12.
सर वो 2 क्यों लिया सर उधर 15,000 into 2?
But they have told you, right? They said, just have a look here. What they given? Bonus is equals to 2 month.
Okay sir.
2 months of basic salary. Next, we have CC compensatory allowance. We have counted, right? Medical allowance taxable. Medical allowance taxable. Medical allowance. How much medical allowance, बच्चों? Medical allowance is 1,500 per month. ठीक है? Multiply by 12. Next, education allowance. They said 500, right? No problem. We can deduct that now. $500 into 12, that comes 6,000. Less exempted 100 into 12. ऐसा करते हैं. माइनस मारी पिकेगा बच्चों, प्लीज माइनस मार रही. कितना होगा? 6,000 minus 1,200, 4,800. ठीक है? Sir, next house rent allowance. बच्चों, we have to calculate house rent allowance, right? HRA. House rent allowance. Bachcho, remember, house rent allowance is something like this. First, how much he has received? HRA received. How much he has received? $4,500 per month. Just multiply by 12. Clear ले. Catering.
54,000.
Yes. House rent allowance at 4,500 per month. $4,500 into 12. 54,000. ठीक है? Next. Less exempted. Actual received, that is 54,000 Second, rent paid in excess of 10% of salary. Rent paid in excess of 10% of salary. Bacho, tell me, how much rent he has paid? Hey, listen, Kedle. He has paid rent. How much? 6,000 per month. That means how much rent he has paid? 6,000 into 12 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Hello? दुआ
72,000.
ले. Yes, बच्चा. 72.
72,000.
10% of salary. 10% of salary is what? Listen, 10% of salary means we should take this and DA. Why, sir? See, both are basic anyway, we are going to account it, right? Similarly, the dearness allowance 4,000 was there, right? That is full amount is eligible for retirement benefit. So that means in that case, both we are going to take as a part of the salary. That is 1,80,000 and 48,000.
22,800.
1 lakh कितना बच्चा?
22,800.
1 second. What is this amount? 2 lakh 28,000. Send 10% of 2 lakh 28,000 is 22,800. अर्थ आगे दिया बच्चों, बताओ जी बताओ. हे ड्रिप्पा,
हाँ सर.
नाश्ता मारे कुंतिरले नहीं हो? Those who are watching on the YouTube, बच्चों नाश्ता हो गया आपका? ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया?
हाँ सर. आपका हुआ सर?
हाँ बेटा.
आपका हुआ सर नाश्ता?
Yeah, after finishing everything I'm here. Yeah, I want to take one another half an hour. हो जाएगा, अभी घंटा हो जाएगा क्लास आपकी. जल्दी जल्दी. House property
31,200.
72,000 minus 22,800. That is 49,000. $49,200. So tell me. Understood? And the last.
हाँ सर.
Last is what? He's staying in Chennai. Correct? Listen, Kedle. Yeah. He has paid rent and house in Chennai. Chennai means
15%.
50% of salary. Two lakh 28,000 into 50%.
34,200.
ना रे बाबा.
15% sir. 15.
ना 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 मुन्ना ना. 50 तोला बोलते इसको.
No sir.
चांस ही नहीं है. 40% या 50% है.
Sir, less than or equal to 10 lakh 7.5. More than 10 10%.
Hold on. Rent free accommodation 7.5 10% all that get. HRA rent house rent allowance is different than rent free accommodation. Remember, ये बड़ा भाई है, ये सौतेली माँ का भाई बेटा है. ये पुष्पा ही नहीं, पुष्पा झुकेगा नहीं साला. बट ये जो है ना, उन्हें अभी लाओ साइड हीरो. HRA जो है ना, HRA 50% ऑफ सैलरी दो. Got it?
Okay sir.
So tell me, whichever is least, which is least here? 49,200. Taxable ना करते. तेरी शरक सेल्फी शिवल्ली 54,000 minus 49,200. That comes 4,800. Hi, namaste Rahul. $4,800.
सर आपका फेवरेट स्टूडेंट नहीं आया आज,
कहाँ गया गलीजो?
जग गया।
गाँव वाला क्या है कि बदमाश ले जाओ, थू शर्म गिड़ी है नहीं। वो फालतू बातें नहीं जरा, वो स्पैम करने के लिए स्पेशली बेंगलोर के बेचारे बच्चे हैं वो चुप। इवन फ्रॉम हाँ गुलबर्गा के बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, दे डोंट हैव वर्क एंड दे प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑल दिस कॉम्पिटिटिव, राइट? दे डोंट गेट सक्सेस एंड अब चलो कुछ सीखते हैं, ऐसा आते हैं वो, लाइक दे वांट टू लर्न एंड दे वांट टू टीच, ऐसा कुछ होगा तो लेट इट बी। अब वो लोग क्या करेंगे उसका, वैसा ही है। नेक्स्ट बच्चों, दिस इज डन। या he was provided with the car, okay, 1600 cc means 1800, with the driver, okay, 900, and the company meet all means employer is paying all the running and maintenance expenses. This car is used for private as well as the official. Motor car,
$2,400.
ना रे बाबा, इट्स 1800 फर्स्ट इंटू 12 कितना आएगा? ड्राइवर सैलरी
सर मोर देन ये है ना सर, 6.5।
1600 और लेस, लाइक ऐसा है, लिसन।
हाँ सर 1800 सीसी के हैं उधर।
वन ना 1.6 की है वो, 1.6।
हाँ ओके सर।
1.6 means 1800. Driver salary 900. All together how much बच्चों? Add up 21,600, 10,800, 32,400. ठीक है? Next is what? Next, he contribute to the recognized provident fund 10% of his salary. Employer contribution equals to the amount. That means, बच्चों 10% is exempted, right? Don't take into account. बढ़ेंगे ले दो, exempted आ करते हैं. Maximum limit is 12%. Interest credited to accumulated balance of the fund is, okay, interest is maximum limit 9.5 there. So what is the amount? Yeah, 4,400. तक दे दो. Interest on RPF 4,400. Okay, listen. 11% they are given minus 9.5. That means बच्चों 1.5. 4,400 is your 11. How much is your 1.5? 600 is taxable लागत. All right बच्चों. Understood? Bigger headry.
Yes, sir.
Super domestic, all that is taxable 400 and 800. Sweeper salary. 50 ಜನ ಆಗಿರಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, like sorry. So guys, just like and subscribe to the channel if you are watching and if you are understanding, if you are following me. Yeah, we do have Instagram ID. That is something called अरे क्या है रे, मेरा Instagram ID कुछ है, फॉलो करो वहाँ भी, वहाँ से पैसे आते कहते। क्या हो गया ज़माना है। Once I used to write everything on the board with the chalk. एग्जाम के टाइम क्या होता था पता है, होल दिस टू हैंड यूज्ड टू बी लाइक वाइट हो जाते पाउडर से, लुक लाइक आई यूज्ड टू बी पेंटर होता था मैं। अब यहाँ पर हो गया है ऑफ की क्लासेस, एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन, ये फ्यूचर है भैया, ये आपका फ्यूचर है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस विल बी फ्यूचर। टाइम बचेगा
डिजिटल सर।
और एक्सीलेंट है ना, अच्छा भी है, प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स एवरीथिंग वी कैन इंप्रूव इट, एंड टीचर कंफर्टेबल होता है ना इधर। आई कैन सी लॉट ऑफ कंफर्ट हियर कंपेरेटिव ऑफलाइन क्लासेस। आई फाइंड वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन टीचिंग ऑनलाइन। स्वीपर सैलरी हाउ मच बच्चों? 400। डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट 800। और क्या होता है ये ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में जो है ना, मतलब एक टाइम सिखाया खत्म, वो सेकेंड टाइम मैं ही नहीं सिखाता था ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ನೀ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, बच्चे पूछते भी नहीं थे, ಹುಡುಗರು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ವಾಚ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡಲ್ಲ, 10 ಸತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, 100 ಸತಿ, दैट इज अमेजिंग। नाउ वी हैव ऑल लाइव इंटरेक्शन आल्सो, अच्छा है। 800। $9,600, that's it। प्रोफेशनल टैक्स दे पेड, वी विल सब्सट्रैक्ट इट, ठीक है। ऐड दिस बच्चों,
सारी तेरी यादों में गुजारी सोनी।
हाँ जी, बचपन का प्यार वो सच्ची हो गए, 4 बच्चे भी हो गए मेरे भी, ऐसा नहीं है लाइक, yeah, it was prefix, and even I liked her when I was a kid, and my mama is like, वो भी बहुत माशाल्लाह अच्छा है। Now he's no more, but yeah, even they agreed, so that is what, even she is also liking me, वही भी बड़ी बात है ना, मेरे लाइकिंग से क्या होता
वाह
है।
वाह,
और सर भी तुम्हारा हैंडसम है बेटा,
माशाल्लाह।
हाँ ऐसा नहीं है, बट या बच्चों, आई वी हैव केम टू दिस सिचुएशन बाय डूइंग ऑल दिस रिसर्च, लाइक पढ़ाई करके मेहनत करके आए हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर, ऐसा नहीं कि सिंपली इट्स लाइक केक वॉक नहीं है ये। सो फॉर यू ऑल्सो सेम, हर एक लेके लाइफ में ये ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು, ಯೆಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಡ್, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್, and yeah definitely guys very soon I'm going to start at stock exchange का, I want all my students should earn money at least, चलो भाई ठीक है, रोज का 500 रुपये तो आ रहा है ना, काफ़ी है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 24 करना, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10-12,000 का मिल जाएगा आपका, एटलीस्ट यू आर गेटिंग 5 to 600 और 300 200, चलो फाइन, वी विल हेल्प यू आउट। जॉइन आ गई, बच्चों इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरी इज 2,92,600. Done. Chalo, we'll solve one more problem from this. हाँ जी, हेलो जी. Let's start now.
Sir, enough, sir.
में गुजारी सोनिए सोनिए तू आके देख
दूसरा लेंगे सर.
नहीं मेरे बच्चे. After this, I take house property. Last question. I give 10 minutes time to you. Try to solve Madri with very beautiful song from. Tell me, you tell me which
MC
song you want me to
Stan.
play. हाँ? यो
एक दिन प्यार MC Stan.
गलीज आदमी. मतलब उसकी आवाज उतनी खास नहीं है. Not like that. I have one more song for you बच्चों. Wait.
Perfect, sir. Ed Sheeran.
नहीं नहीं इसका this song is very good. One second. Start doing this now.
सैया सर, सैया.
सैया.
तू जो झूले.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. That is not the way. Trending कहाँ गया रे? Top trending. Start doing this now. Start doing बच्चों. Solve ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ರು. This I love this song. I mean कहाँ गया रे वो? No 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 no. ये ना है. हाँ जी. कभी सुना है क्या तुमने इसको? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ತುಮಾನ್ ಮೇರಿ ಜಾನ್. Let's start now. Srimati Malti is working in a government department in Mumbai. From the following info, furnish computer income from salary for the assessment year 22-23. Assuming assessee has not opted for 115 BSc. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ನಾವು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಬಚ್ಚೋ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಫುಲ್ ಕಿನೇವಾ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ನಾವು. श्रीमती मालती computation of income from salary. For the assessment year 2022 and 23. Start. Particulars, amount and amount. First in there, basic salary. How much? 25,000 per month, right? 25,000 per month. Okay जी, कर ला मैं भी. Basic salary 25,000 into 12, 3 lakh. Next, DNS allowance. DNS allowance, 60% of the basic salary considered for retirement benefit. Basic salary to 60%. Three lakh into 60%. That is 1,80,000. ठीक है. ಇದು ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು ಆಯಿತು. ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೌನ್ಸ್ 100 per month, fully taxable. Yes बच्चों, after this I have one more class for you in the afternoon. Join Agri. Next, house rent allowance. House rent allowance 4,500 per month. Bachcho, we have to calculate that, right? HRA. Working note 1. computation of working note 1, computation of working note 1, that is HRA, house rent allowance, HRA. Actual HRA received. How much he has received? 4,500 per month. $54,000. ठीक है, less exempted actual HRA second rent paid minus 10% of salary rent paid. How much rent he has paid बच्चों? Note they have given she paid rent. जग्या बंद ಏನೋ rent paid by Srimati is 800 per month ಇದೆ 800 per month, that is 800 into 12 96,000. ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಲೆಸ್ 10% of salary. What is the salary here? Salary is $3 lakh and 1 lakh 80, 4 lakh 80. ठीक है बच्चों, 4 lakh 80 तो 10% ಆಗತ್ತೆ 48,000 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 96,000 minus 48,000. That is 48,000 only. Chalo. Next. Second. First we have actual salary. Second rent paid. Third 50% of salary. ಈಗ 4,80,000 into 50%. Into 50 by 100. 2,40,000. अर्थ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Understood बच्चों? Please tell me first. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ whichever is less, which is less here? 48,000 less. Taxable HRA. How much? 54,000 minus 48,000. That is 6,000. Right? ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿಲ್ಲ 6,000 ಅಂತ. Yes, you are right, ಹುರ್ರತ್. ಮುಂದೋಗೋಣ. ಈಸಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಆಯಿತು. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಲೌನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಲೌನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? HRA ಆಯಿತು. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಲೌನ್ಸ್ 500 ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಇದೆ. ತಗೊಡಿದ್ನು 500 into 12 6,000. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ಇದು ಆಯಿತು. ಶಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲೌನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 8,500 and spent 5,500. That means remaining 3,000 is taxable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Conveyance allowance, how much she has received? 8,500. How much she has spent? 5,500. Means minus it. $8,500 minus 5,500. 3,000. Next is what? Bachcho, she contribute to a statutory provident fund 17% of salary. Means statutory provident fund barata? No bachcho, no, exempted ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is completely exempted. Interest ಅದು ಕೂಡ exempt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We cannot take that. ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನು. Next ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯುಟರಿ ಪ್ರೊವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ವೀಪರ್ ಅಟ್ ಹರ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ 200 per month. Yeah, sweeper salary. Statutory provident fund is exempted. Yeah, sweeper salary 200 into 12 2,400. Next, her son is studying in residential school at Pune and the government paying the hostel allowance 400 there. Hostel allowance 400 they are paying. Correct? So now what is the maximum limit? 300 is the maximum limit. Exempted. So that means 4,800 minus 3,600, 1,200 is taxable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. All right बच्चों. Next, her another son is getting education in school run by the government. Okay, the annual expense, not the government employee, government expenditure. Yes, exempt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Life insurance premium 8,000 ಇದೆ. That paid by the employer taxable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಬಚ್ಚು. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್. How much is that? Yes, it is 8,000. Gross salary 3 lakh, 1 lakh 80,000, 12,000, 6,000, 6,000, 3,000, 2,400, 1,200, 8,000. ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 5,18,000, 5,18,600. ठीक है, लेस डिडक्शन अंडर सेक्शन 16. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 50,000. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬಚ್ಚೋ, he is a government employee, right? He is a government employee, and what he has received? He has received education allowance, sorry, entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance he has received 12,000. So maximum limit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Maximum limit 5,000, right? Next, yes, he has paid professional tax. How much professional tax he has paid? She has paid 1,800. ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 55,000, 1,800, that is 56,800. So income from salary 5,18,600 minus 56,800. Understood? Any doubt? बच्चों I'll give one work to you. homework ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಚ್ಚೋ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ I'll go to the next this one, income from house property and income from business, residential status. ಇದೊಂದಿದೆ homework, and here we have one more homework for you. These two you solve, and I'll update you next class timing. Okay, I'm sending you right now. ಚಲೋ ಬಚ್ಚೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ರಿಯೋ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ಬಚ್ಚೋ, ಬಾಯ್.